Good morning everyone. As we are doing our lesson The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. In this we read that little swallow he had decided to stay over there with the happy prince when happy prince became blind, and he helped the happy prince. But in the end we learned that swallow died at the feet of the statue of the happy prince. Today I am going to start my explanation from page number 34, last fourth paragraph. At that moment when the little swallow he died in the feet of the happy prince, at that moment a curious crack sounded inside the statue, as if something had broken. The fact is that the leaden heart had snapped right in two. It certainly was a dreadful hard frost. Means the heart of the happy prince had broken into two parts as soon as the bird died. The sound was of the breaking of the statue's heart, which was made up of a lead. The heart broke because the death of his beloved bird, but it is said that it was so cold that the heart broke into two pieces. Then in the next morning the mayor of the city along with his councillors was taking a round of the area where the statue of the happy prince was erected, and when he crossed the statue and looked up at it, he said that the statue of the happy prince looked untidy. The councillor always agreed with whatever the mayor used to say, so they also asserted that the statue looked untidy, because whatever the mayor would say, the councillor would always be agreed with them. So at that time when the mayor said that the statue was looking ugly, the councillor they also said that the statue was looking very untidy. The mayor also noticed that the ruby stone which was placed in the handle of the sword was missing, the sapphires from the statue's eyes were also missing, and the layer of gold from its body was also missing. And then the mayor said that it seemed as if it was the statue of a beggar, and the town councillors they also agreed with the mayor. Then the mayor noticed that the dead bird was also lying on the feet of the statue. Then he told the town councillors to pass an order that the birds were not allowed to die on the feet of the statue, and the town clerk made a note of the suggestions given by him. The art professor of the university said that now the statue of the happy prince did not look beautiful and was not useful anymore, so they should demolish it. Then they melted the statue in the furnace. Furnace means a fireplace where the metal are melted. So they melted the statue in the furnace, and the supervisor of the foundry saw a strange thing. Foundry, a workshop where the metals were casting. So what he found, that the leaden heart which was of the happy prince, it was not melting. The heart of the happy prince statue which was broken into two pieces, it was not melting in the furnace. So afterwards what they did, they threw it as it in the dust of heap. Means they threw it on the dust of heap where the dead swallow was also lying. In this way the beautiful story of the happy prince and the swallow ended. Then in the heaven God asked one of his angels to bring him the two most precious things of the city. And you know what the angel brought? The angel brought the two pieces of the heart of the statue and the dead swallow bird. At this God said to the angel that it had brought the right thing. It had chosen the right things, which were indeed the most precious things of the city. He said that the bird would always sing in the garden of his paradise, and the happy prince would stay in the city of gold and admire him. So here we can see that these two beautiful hearts, happy prince and the swallow, they also get place in the heaven by the gods. They were considered as the precious things of the city, as they both helped the needy people, the people who were poor, especially the seamstress, that playwright and that match girl. The swallow, who was also knowing that he would not be able to survive in this kind of the winter season, but he stayed over there for that happy prince. He he has decided to stay over there when Happy Prince has become blind. And Happy Prince, he also lost his charm, his beautiness, which was with the rubies and the sapphires and the gold plated. But he donated all the things to the poor and the needy people, and after that he got the place in the heaven in with the god. This story, it is based on the theme that love and sacrifice are important values in human life, and happiness comes to those who makes others happy. Thank you.